Hey everyone, Chris from Cuppa here. Wanted to go through a very quick demo of our custom templates, which is now available for you to save within the workbench and essentially use them in single and bulk generation every single time. So we have a lot of advanced users that use the workbench, which is toggled down here underneath tools and performance. Let me make myself smaller. Which of course you can direct fully the system and the user prompt, right? So you have the complete flexibility of being as in depth as you want on each of these fronts. And most importantly too, you can of course toggle in your variables, right? So if you are going to save it as a template, obviously we have some requirements on the single and bulk generation side. We need to know target keywords, things like that are a requirement for you to put as a variable within the actual custom template. Don't forget to up here you can add in tools, web search, perplexity research. This is basically the same as the perplexity research we do on single and bulk. This would apply to the template as well. So you can build your system prompt how you want, user prompt how you want. You can always generate the article directly in Workbench. A lot of people like to do that. So you can see the results here and toggle different models. Most importantly, still recommend highly seeing the different results per each of the output. Looks like we're missing Opus 4.6 on here. I'll add that in. And then we also added in, this used to be pinged to GPT 3, I think. Yeah, OpenAI 3 Mini. Obviously, we added more thinking models in here now. So if you want to start with the ideal output, it will help you generate the system and user prompt for you. And then you can save it as a template with the variables and the tools here. So all you would have to do is hit this Save Template button. If you want to make changes as well, just hit Save Template again, update existing, save as new. We realize there's probably going to be a lot of testing back and forth. So so we've added this. This is one of the probably the biggest requests we've got, where you can completely control every element of the prompting yourself. This is probably going to take a while for you to get the ideal output, but no longer are you reliant on anything from a template standpoint from the Cuppa side. Solely up to you to then use the template as you see fit. Now let me just hop into where you see this on the front side. So custom template, again, if you're in the brand, everything on the left-hand side is brand oriented. So that's where you will see the brand, the templates here. So if you hop into single or bulk, let me just do single again. This is only available, by the way, business and above. You'll see that business plus sign. You can add the template, target keyword, and just hit process, just like how you would. Now, let me just work you through this real quickly. Hit next. A couple of things you'll notice right away. Very less, not much prompting or AI instructions that you feed it. That's all done on the actual front end. Don't forget. That's the workbench. That's the template itself. We did add it in AI images because that's obviously a separate thing that runs for you. And we did want to bring in your knowledge bases. So you can still do up to 5 knowledge bases within each of your custom contents. And of course, you can select your model to build. And then it just builds for you. There's going to be a lot of tweaking here, right? So the prompting, the system prompt that we have in Cuppa per template, very long, probably thousands and thousands of tests, right? So that's how refined we've gotten it. It's probably going to be something similar for generation for you on the custom template side, but it gives you full overview of what you can do. Totally up to you on the system prompt and the user prompt. Let me just go back and show you real quick as well, just where the generate content and bulk generation too. So same idea here, custom template, and you can do it in bulk, exact same process here. So one things too, I did want to show you in bulk. Let's see if it happens. Do dogs like apples. You can now do just some improvements UX, UI wise. Delete bulk. You can do that now. Programmatic, it used to be that you can only inherit the headings. Now you can edit the headings. So just a little more tweaks in terms of just user friendliness across the board with Cuppa. But this is one of the bigger features in terms of this is completely your template. You can save as many templates as you want directly from the workbench into single and bulk article generation, and then you can go. You can also add it to chat if you use the agentic chat as well. This is definitely still being slept on. This is a great feature. You can do a lot more here than you probably expect. All of our tools are now wired up within Cuppa, within the agent mode, so definitely give that a try as well. But yeah, custom templates are here. Just hit the workbench down here, build out your system prompt, user prompt variables, add in the tools that you want, save it as template. It's in your single and bulk article generation.